Well, I want to see and try what's like the stabilization on this camera. I'm shaking my hand, moving it around. Also, I want to hear the sound. They say, can you vlog with the Hero 7? Well, here's the test with the low light in night and the audio. Me vlogging, just handheld it, and let's see exactly how is the sound, good or bad. So I came to this park in Guilford and Glendale Glendale Old Town, and it is pretty nice, as you guys can tell. So I stopped by to check this GoPro Hero 7 in low light with carrying it in my hand. Also the sound, and well, it is pretty nice. It looks pretty good. You guys can tell, there is a lot of families here walking around and scooters, which pretty soon I'll be riding one. So yeah, it's Christmas time, almost there. We're like what, 2 weeks away, and they decorated this park with a lot of lights. Pretty beautiful. Never seen this before, so it is nice. I like it. Now I'll be walking around recording myself while I'm holding the GoPro Hero 7 in my hand. Now I'm just walking normal the way I walk. I am not doing the ninja steps or nothing like that, so you guys can see how good is the stabilizer. So what's up guys, thanks for hanging right here. What you guys think about like everything, the park, the GoPro, the footage, everything that I took? So it looks pretty cool. I love this camera. So thanks guys for watching this video, and leave a comment about what you think about everything, the sound. I don't know if I'm covering right now the microphone, I think it's up here, the footage, how like good it is, how stabilized is the footage, you know, because all the time I've been walking with the GoPro Hero in my hands, just holding it, no gimbal, no nothing. So I believe it should be good, or great should I say. So yep, leave a comment down below guys, and subscribe in the red button if you haven't. And well, I'll see you in the next video. So peace. Remember, keep dreaming, dreams come true. I'll see you later guys.